Looking for the best fishing kayak in 2026? In this video, we review the top fishing kayaks that deliver outstanding stability, comfort, storage, and on-the-water performance. Whether you're targeting bass in small lakes, exploring rivers, or heading offshore, we've selected options for every budget and skill level. Stay tuned as we compare features, pros and cons, and overall value to help you choose the perfect fishing kayak for your next adventure. Number 3. The Intex Explorer K2 inflatable kayak set is an excellent budget-friendly option for beginners, casual paddlers, and families looking to enjoy time on lakes and calm rivers. Designed for 2 people and featuring a 400-pound weight capacity, this inflatable kayak offers a practical blend of portability, comfort, and value. One of its biggest advantages is convenience. Weighing just 35 pounds, the Explorer K2 is lightweight and compact enough to transport in the included carrying bag. The high-output pump and Boston valves make inflation and deflation surprisingly quick, allowing users to get on the water within minutes. The included 86-inch aluminum paddles and adjustable inflatable seats with backrest provide everything needed to start paddling right away. Performance is impressive for an inflatable kayak. The rugged vinyl construction, inflatable I-beam floor, and high-buoyancy side chambers create a stable platform that inspires confidence for new paddlers. The removable skeg helps improve tracking, making it easier to paddle in a straight line across lakes and calm waterways. User feedback highlights its durability and ease of use. Owners report years of enjoyable lake use, with minor repairs being simple when needed. Many also appreciate the affordability compared to kayak rentals, making it a smart investment for occasional adventures. Overall, the Intex Explorer K2 delivers outstanding value, portability, and beginner-friendly performance, making it one of the best entry-level inflatable kayaks available today. Number 2. The Pelican Catch HDI Premium Angler Fishing Kayak is an impressive pedal-powered fishing platform that combines comfort, stability, and convenience in a lightweight package. Designed for anglers who want hands-free propulsion without the bulk of larger fishing kayaks, it delivers excellent performance on lakes, rivers, and calm coastal waters. One of its standout features is the high-drive 2-pedal system, which makes navigating shallow water, vegetation, and tight fishing spots remarkably easy. The pedal drive provides efficient movement while keeping your hands free for casting, adjusting tackle, or fighting fish. Although it does not offer instant reverse, many users find its performance excellent for an entry-level pedal kayak. Comfort is another major strength. The ErgoCast G2 seat is exceptionally supportive and adjustable, making long days on the water much more enjoyable. Anglers consistently praise the seat's comfort, noting that it's comfortable enough to use even off the water. The kayak stable design also inspires confidence when casting, reeling, or reaching for gear. Customization is easy thanks to the 4 accessory rails, allowing anglers to mount fish finders, cameras, rod holders, and other equipment. 3 flush mount rod holders keep rods secure yet accessible, while the integrated rudder with hand controls improves tracking and steering precision. User feedback highlights the kayak's excellent tracking, quality construction, practical dry storage, and manageable weight for transport. Overall, the Pelican Catch HDI is a well-designed fishing kayak that offers comfort, versatility, and outstanding value for anglers looking to upgrade their fishing experience. Number 1. The Old Town Sportsman PDL 106 is one of the most popular pedal-driven fishing kayaks on the market. It's easy to see why. Designed for anglers who want hands-free fishing without sacrificing stability or maneuverability, this 10-foot 6-inch sit-on-top kayak delivers impressive performance in a compact package. At the heart of the kayak is Old Town's reliable PDL pedal drive system, which offers smooth forward and reverse propulsion. Whether you're positioning yourself around structure, navigating narrow creeks, or covering larger stretches of water, the pedal drive keeps your hands free for casting and reeling. Users consistently praise how smooth and responsive the system feels, even when the kayak is loaded with fishing gear. The kayak's pontoon-style hull provides exceptional stability, making it comfortable for standing and casting. Many owners describe it as built like a tank, noting that it remains steady even when moving around on deck. Despite its compact size, it offers ample storage, accessory tracks, rod holders, and a convenient transducer mount for adding a fish finder. Comfort is another major strength. The adjustable premium mesh seat provides excellent lumbar support and keeps you cool during long days on the water. With a 450-pound maximum capacity, there's plenty of room for gear and even a furry fishing companion. While its 107-pound weight may require a kayak cart for easier transport, the Sportsman PDL 106 rewards anglers with outstanding stability, versatility, and all-day fishing comfort. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best fishing kayaks of 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect kayak for your fishing style, budget, and favorite waters. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and outdoor gear recommendations. Let us know in the comments which kayak is your top pick. And as always, tight lines and happy fishing. See you in the next video.